Hello my watermelon, so today I'll be unboxing this Tapo security camera. So, on the box, it says outdoor security Wi-Fi camera, 3 MP high definition, motion detection and notifications, wired or wireless networking, and it's also weatherproof. So both of these are version 2s, and I'm just going to open this one. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So you don't need to wonder what's in the other box because it's just the same thing. So it's TP-Link, I think that's an app, so you can control this, and Tapo C310. So we can see that something's an app. And package contents is everything we need. So outdoor security, Wi-Fi camera, blah 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 blah. So the video is definition 3MP 2300 and 2304 times 1296 and all of this stuff. So I thought this was detention. Motion detection, instant notifications, and automatic siren protect you day and night. So that's everything, and this is the camera. You can see upside down. It looks like, you know, those puppies with those large ears. I really love them. So now I'm going to open them. So I can put this here. So this actually costed £48.48 on Amazon, and CEO number 1 bought it way cheaper on sale. Yes, it was like about £28 during Christmas in 2021. Okay, wait, let me just. Can I have a pencil? I like to do these things with pencils. Thank you. Okay, I got it. I like to pierce through the plastic with the pencils for some reason. Here, have a pencil back. Okay, I've got it out now. So the boxing is very, very smooth. Very smooth, and you can see there's a dent here, so that's why. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. That's why we wanted to open this one instead of the other one. So now I am going to do the little opening. I think you open it right. Oh yeah, I got it. There's an egg carton inside. I mean, there's not an egg carton inside, but it feels like an egg carton. Oh yes. Yeah, we got it out now. Oh my god. Okay, so this is, I think this is where you put the sticker on it, so then you can drill a hole so you can put it on the wall. This is the sticker, and I don't want to touch that because I might peel it. And this is the Tapo TP-Link Tapo C310 outdoor and security camera. So these are the plugs. Hey, I'm definitely not doing anything sus. You don't have to survey me. So you can take a look at it. So it has this film to protect the lens when it's not used yet. So like this. So this is the camera, as you can see. It has adjustable antennas, which looks like wings and also puppy ears, like this. You can see. It also looks like something from Star Wars. I forgot the name of it. It was like an android. I love it. I think it's R something. So here are some wires. So you can see this is circular, and this is a alien brain. So this can be waterproof if you put this ring on, because it's rubber and rubber is waterproof. Yay! So we have the power adapter. This is the power adapter, and I hope I don't stick this in my face. It just consumes energy from me. So this cable is a nice length, but not long enough for outdoor use. So I have to buy an extension cable when mounting the camera far away from the power. It also comes from a mounting template. I mean, not that sticker I said before. This is the mounting template, anchors and screws, and a waterproof seal, and some waterproof cable attachments. So I think it's that little rubber ring thingy. So we have a quick start guide, which is this. It just says quick start guide and outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. I'm gonna open it in a random page. Oh, camera. Package contains. So this is the camera. You can see power adapter and mounting template, anchors, screws, and a waterproof seal, and waterproof cable attachments, and the quick start guide. And then in this quick start guide is another quick start guide, and in that quick start guide is another quick start guide, and it goes on and on. I actually made that up. So it says system LED description: solid red is starting up, blinking red and green, ready for setup, blinking red slowly, connecting to Wi-Fi, solid amber connected to Wi-Fi, solid green connected to TP-Link cloud server, and blinking red quickly and blinking green quickly, and all that stuff. So there are many features I like, such as that the camera is waterproof, so it can work outdoors, and no hub is required, so it can work standalone, but you do need to install the Tapo app. Note that it is the Tapo app, but not the Kasa app from the TP-Link. Also, it has a speaker here, and if you have it installed on your phone, CEO number 1, when I get back from something, he makes a dying cat noise. Sorry. So it's like dying cat. So it can be wired or wireless. To use it in a wired network, you can just plug it into a network cable on the Ethernet socket in the camera. So the wireless rates are the range of 11 Mbps to 150 Mbps, and the frequency is 2.4 GHz. It supports night vision up to 30 meters. I didn't try it in complete darkness, so during the nighttime with street lights, the night vision is very clear, just without this thing on. So it has features of motion detection and notifications. You can set the motion detection area and push a notification to your phone when movements in that area are detected. So imagine if you have this camera already connected to your phone when you're installing it, and then you're on a ladder trying to install it on your house, and then you keep on moving in front of the camera, and your phone is literally vibrating in your pocket like that. That'd be very annoying. So it has a very loud sound alarm when I try it indoor, so the alarm can be triggered when movements are detected. There's a light alarm too, imagine that's the siren, not my voice. So it has a two-way audio with a built-in microphone right here and speaker, so you can talk and listen. The audio quality is very average too, just for communication. I just wanted to repeat that for some reason. So it also works with Alexa and Google Home, so you can voice control it. Say display the video on the Alexa or video home screen. If you have the version with the screen, I think that's an Echo Dot 8 for Alexa. So it also supports local storage. There's a micro SD card slot at the back of the camera which supports up to 128 gigabytes micro SD card according to the Tapo webpage. Note that the SD card is not provided, so wait, I think the SD card is in here. So the weight is approximately 200 grams. So the TP-Link Tapo C310 outdoor security Wi-Fi camera provides basic features for general use. It does not have a pan and tilt. It also does not support Samsung SmartThings or IFTTT, and yeah. So IFTT also stands for if this then that. Having said that, it is an affordable solution for home security or surveillance. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and yeah.